Briefly explain the importance of digital marketing in today's world. Mention the target audience for this guide, beginners. Set expectations for what readers will learn in the guide. Define digital marketing and its role in business growth. Explain various digital marketing channels, social media, email, SEO, PPC, etc. Discuss the benefits of digital marketing over traditional marketing methods. Importance of setting SMART goals. Guiding readers through the goal-setting process. Examples of effective digital marketing goals for beginners. Explain the significance of market research and competitor analysis. Provide tips on how to gather relevant information. Demonstrate how to analyze competitors' strategies and identify gaps. Steps to create a comprehensive digital marketing plan, incorporating goals, target audience, and budget, emphasizing the importance of consistency and adaptability. Optimizing website for search engines, SEO. Creating engaging social media profiles, leveraging content marketing to attract and retain customers. Importance of email marketing in digital marketing. Best practices for building an email list. Tips for crafting effective email campaigns. Overview of pay-per-click, PPC advertising. Guiding readers through setting up and managing Google Ads campaigns. Introduction to social media advertising platforms, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Importance of tracking and analyzing digital marketing efforts. Introducing key metrics and tools, Google Analytics, etc. Interpreting data to make informed decisions. Importance of continuous learning in digital marketing. Suggesting resources and platforms for staying updated. Encouraging readers to attend workshops, webinars, and conferences. Recap of the guide's key points. Encouraging readers to apply the learned concepts, providing resources for further learning and support.